Please subscribe my channel for more advanced earning videos. Now we will discuss about earn money from in-stream ads in your videos. In-stream ads help eligible video creators earn money by including short video or image ads in qualifying videos. Creators get a share of the revenue from the video ads shown to their viewers. Viewers must view the entire ad to continue watching a video. As advertisers target different audiences, viewers will probably see different ads. Types of in-stream ads. There are 3 types of in-stream ads you can place in your videos: pre-roll, mid-roll and image ads. Number 1. Pre-roll ads. Pre-roll ads play before your video starts. These are shown to people who actively seek out the content. The more viewers that seek out the content, the more payouts you receive. Number 2. Mid-roll ads. Mid-roll ads play during your video. These work best within a video that has natural break points. As most videos are still discovered in news feed, we recommend that creators program their content for mid-roll ads. Number 3. Image ads. Image ads are static image ads that are displayed under the content. Image ads help you earn money from videos that don't have a good place for mid-roll ads, such as comedy skits. Now we will discuss about eligibility of Facebook page. Only Facebook pages are eligible to use in-stream ads. You're eligible for in-stream ads if you are 18 years or older and meet the following criteria. Publish videos from a page. You must publish videos from a page, not a profile, to be eligible for in-stream ads. Meet our partner monetization policies. You must meet our partner monetization policies, not only to be eligible for in-stream ads, but to stay eligible. Meet our eligibility requirements for on-demand and/or live video. This metric helps determine how successfully you'll be able to monetize with in-stream ads. In the last 60 days, you need to have met the following requirements. Eligibility requirements for video on demand. 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days. This can include on-demand, live or previously live videos. This does not include minutes viewed from cross-posted, boosted, or paid watch time. Page has at least 5 active videos. Videos can be on-demand or previously live, but this does not include active cross-posted videos. Additional requirements for live videos. At least 60,000 minutes of the 600,000 total minutes viewed in the last 60 days must include minutes viewed from live videos. Have 10,000 page followers. Videos must be published from a page that has at least 10,000 followers. Be in an available country and language. Review our current, but growing, list of supported countries and languages, link in description. Publish videos eligible for in-stream ads. To be eligible for in-stream ads, your videos must be at least 1 minute long. If your content is longer than 3 minutes, we recommend that you program your content to have a natural break at the 1 minute mark. Please note that while in-stream monetization supports content less than 3 minutes long, the requirements around publishing 3-minute video content must be met in order to include in-stream ads in your videos.